Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Zvezda is probably one of the most sought-after products in recent years, offering a unique blend of features and benefits that have captivated users worldwide. Its innovative design and functionality have made it a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their daily lives, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Zvezda, exploring its various aspects and helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Zvezda 7314SU 30SM Flanker. Welcome. Today, we're building the Zvezda 7314SU 30SM Flanker. Let's get started by carefully opening the box and inspecting all the parts. Take a look at all the finely detailed plastic pieces. It's amazing how many parts make up this 1/72 scale model. Notice the incredible level of detail in each component. With 385 parts, it's going to be a rewarding build. Before we begin assembly, let's gather our tools. You'll need a sprue cutter, pliers, files, a pin vise, scissors, side cutters, tweezers, and a modeling knife. It's all here. Let's start constructing this magnificent Russian air superiority fighter. The instructions are picture-based, so let's follow them step by step. After careful assembly, you'll have a stunning 12.3-inch long model of the Su-30SM Flanker. It's a true masterpiece. What we like. It boasts impressive detail with 385 parts. If you are an experienced modeler seeking a challenging and rewarding project, this is perfect for you. This highly detailed kit will let you create a stunning replica, perfect for display. What people say. The photo instructions made assembly pretty easy, even if the sprue sets weren't all tagged with the correct letter. This model comes with 2 sets of pilots, one set for when the plane is grounded and one for flying. The plane can be configured for either flying or grounded, and it comes with a wide variety of armaments. Excellent model of Zvezda, but in this case the huge amount of parts is packed in a box too small, so some parts have marks, but easy to repair. Number 4. Zvezda 135T90 Tank Model. Get ready to build your own detailed replica of a Russian main battle tank. This model kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced modelers. It's designed for a fun and rewarding building experience. The high-quality plastic parts are easy to assemble. This isn't your average tank model. It features incredibly detailed plastic parts that bring it to life. Everything you need to get started is included, except paint and glue. It's ready for immediate assembly, so you can start building right away. Remember to pick up your favorite paints and glue to complete your masterpiece. Let your creativity shine. Don't worry if you're a beginner. Clear and easy-to-follow instructions are included to guide you through the entire process. What we like. It features enhanced details and is ready for immediate assembly. If you're looking for a detailed tank model without a lot of fuss, this is the one for you. Its ease of assembly makes it perfect for modelers of all skill levels. What people say. The only fiddly part is the turret and IRCM mounts, super accurate but tiny parts. Some unique things about this kit are definitely the antenna for the turret, which I've never seen in a kit before, super thin, and a fabric plastic screen for the engine bay. Almost zero flash you have to clean. The best turret and hull details I have ever seen. Good clear parts for periscopes. Great mesh for engine deck. This is not a model for beginner to modeling. The detail is brilliant. Number 3. Zvezda 135 Russian Infantry. Get ready to add some modern Russian soldiers to your collection. This detailed kit offers an amazing level of realism. This kit is built to a 1/35 scale, ensuring accuracy and detail in your model. You get 4 highly detailed figures in this kit, ready for customization and posing. It features all new tooling and includes an AK-12 grenade launcher and 2 sniper rifles. With its intricate details and realistic features, it's perfect for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. The figures are dressed in modern green uniforms, adding to the realism of the model. What we like. This kit includes 4 highly detailed figures and an AK-12 grenade launcher. If you're building a modern military diorama, this kit is a must-have. The inclusion of the AK-12 adds a unique and realistic touch to your project. What people say. Very nice detail. Everything is very sharp and flash line is minimal. If you want to do a scene with some little green men, this is a neat little kit. The cat is a nice touch. The figures are quite presentable by my standards. The most political model kit I've ever seen. In 2014 Russia annexed the Ukrainian province of Crimea without a shot being fired by having these little green men spontaneously appear in the peninsula. They stroked cats, talked to people, didn't fire their guns, were polite people. They were Russian Spetsnaz or the like, no one knows. This model kit captures that moment in time, a precursor to the current Russia-Ukraine conflict. There are 4 heavily armed soldiers, all standing there with their guns, not shooting anyone. And a cat. Number 2. Zvezda 4824 Vehicle Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of assembling this detailed model kit. It's a fun and rewarding project for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions, guiding you through each step of the assembly process. You'll be building your vehicle in no time. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring a durable and long-lasting finished product. You'll be proud to display it once it's complete. The pre-colored pieces make assembly simple and enjoyable. No need for extra painting, just focus on building. Everything you need is included in the box. Gather your tools and let's start building your amazing vehicle. Once completed, it will be a stunning addition to any model collection. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. What we like. This multicolor vehicle kit comes with various accessories. If you enjoy adding extra flair to your models, this is a great choice. The accessories allow for customization and unique detailing. What people say. Awesome kit. Lots of fun. One of the best XCCCP model makers. Capably fills a void in modern jets in quarter scale. Fantastic kit, haven't built it yet but have done a dry run on it. It looks beautiful. Zvezda is an excellent model maker. Number 1. Zvezda Greek Infantry Kit. Get ready to relive ancient battles. This detailed kit lets you create your own army of highly accurate Greek soldiers. Each figure is meticulously crafted, capturing the essence of ancient Greek warriors. Notice the incredible detail in their armor and weaponry. This kit provides everything you need to build your own army. It's perfect for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. With 45 figures in this set, you can create epic battle scenes. Imagine the possibilities. These figures are approximately 0.86 inches tall, making them perfect for dioramas and displays. They're highly collectible and a great addition to any collection. Recreate famous battles or create your own scenarios. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about ancient Greece. What we like. This kit contains 45 highly detailed figures. If you are looking to populate a large diorama or battlefield scene, this kit is ideal. The number of figures provides excellent value and versatility. What people say. The figures were very detailed in various action poses. Very good product, high quality terminations, easy to handle and paint, and very tight to the story. High quality terminations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.